for my video, yeah.
Okay.
Because it will be clear, no glass.
Just use it that one, right?
No, I can't do it like that.
No one can steal your phone.
Breeze may blow it. My phone, I can't.
Just do this.
This one is which road? Sorry, remind me. Kichukuro Road.
Sonatibe Road.
Eh?
Sonatibe Road.
Sonatibe Road. Kichukiro. Yeah.
Oh, you must say Kichukiro Road.
Yeah.
No one can steal your phone.
All right. There's no traffic before they close. Gosh.
How they clean?
Yeah, okay.
That one.
Okay. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Rwanda. Hey, you will not see this kind of thing in Nigeria. Very clean city. So much traffic now. This road is which road?
1X.
1X road.
Yeah.
1X. Okay. Okay, that's the convention center. place? What are they doing in this place?
It's a work from lake.
Okay, lake.
Yeah.
Okay.
Artificial lake.
Huh?
Artificial lake.
Okay, artificial lake, that one.
They're going to play.
Oh. Those are the well, that's not fair. Well, that's not fair. It's traffic. And you think I'm crazy, and you think I'm crazy, well, that's not fair. This one is still Gwanesh Road. This road is what road?
Beyaji Road.
Beyaji. Beyaji Road.
Everybody's station. 106.7 Urban Radio. Urban Sports with Shadow Max and William Castle. Forevermore.
That day, did you tell us that your parents they are from Uganda?
Yeah.
Okay, your parents are from Uganda.
My father.
Okay, your father is Uganda, your mother is Rwanda.
Yeah.
Okay. And you prefer Rwanda more than Uganda? You prefer
I
Rwanda?
prefer one.
Okay. There's money in Rwanda.
Yeah. Uganda.
Huh?
It's not the original Uganda.
Okay.
It's a part of Rwanda during the colonial.
Oh, okay, okay. But now it's now partially part of Uganda.
Yeah, now it's a part of Uganda.
This rural building is hotel. That big one there.
No, it's government.
Okay, government house.
umugoroba mwiza icamunsi cyiza cyane ukomeje kudukurikira kuri itariki 17 z'ukwezi kwa 9 umwaka 2025. Shimira bagenzi bacu mwabanye ku gitondo biza isa kuri ebyiri Muhinde Victor ndetse na Pati mukabana kandi biza isa
This one too is government house.
mukabana nabo kugeza pisa isa nyuma natwe kugira ngo tubane nayo kugeza.
So this is the city part. City. This is where the government people are staying. The government. This is where they are living.
No.
It's not here.
Yeah, that side.
Which side is that?
That one.
Kachip. I thought it's part of the city part.
The main office is located in Kachil.
Okay.
Even in the new Kivu.
Kachil is a big town.
The office of president located there.
Really?
Prime Minister.
That's where their office is.
Yeah, offices.
Nice.
The menu.
ugasanga umuntu akunda story yigize storyteller umbi ibintu bisanzwe byo kwandika anuza zinama minutes zinama byamunaniye rwose bimeze bite shameze neza cyane ngiye kubaza mu kiganiro yose hanyuma igisigaye uko bagiye kugeza.
This one's there are big hotels. The hotels, Abby.
Yeah, there's hotels. But we shall pass.
Okay. If we are coming back, we'll pass there.
Yeah.
Rwandans, they don't run while crossing road. In Nigeria, they don't cross road like this.
Sure.
They will have to run.
Yeah,
and
it's
cars
a
will
must.
wait.
You can be pass slowly by slow. Everyone must respect the one who crossed them.
Okay. In Nigeria, we don't cross road like that. Car will never wait for you. You have to run and cross road. DHL.
Okay.
So.
I will told you that is chic mall.
Okay. This is the chic mall. It's the biggest mall in Rwanda.
It's a big.
Ah.
The other one is Mickey Mall.
Okay.